Welcome guys, welcome to my channel. How to download Gigabyte gaming box download. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com. After that click on search and then enter the model number of your gaming box and then hit enter. AORUS RTX 3090 gaming box. Click on product and click to download. And then click on support. And then select your operating system, Windows 7, 10, 11. So both operating system installations process same. NVIDIA, and this is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading, and it is start download. It will complete 4 to 5 minutes, and after that completed, then click on three dot and go to download. So you can see it is start downloading, and this is size. So after it is completed, then click on this icon. After it open this location where it is downloading. Okay. Then right click and run as administrator. If you are Windows 10, so show more and then click on run as administrator. After that click on yes. And then click on install. After that this is extracting to your system. Now you can see this is installing, so it will take some time, and it is close after install and then close it.